Hi, this is Eric Kruger from StrataCom. I'm going to show you today just a quick little video on ITPT in Cherwell, and that's the like the lower end PPM, which Cherwell came out with before PPM for managing projects, and then how you can use our Gantt and Kanban with ITPT to make the product work a little better for your project managers and your users. So I've got ITPT up here. I've got a project up here. You can see the tasks. So this is your standard Cherwell interface. And I'm just going to jump over to our framework that we built. And I've got a Gantt chart built for this. So this is one of our newer widgets on our framework, our Gantt chart. Originally, we developed this for PPM, but it is completely configurable for any object in Cherwell. So I just configured it to work with ITPT. So this is an ITPT project, project 1. You can see up here in the URL. So I've just got a little button to click to get here. And you can see I've also made some of these ITPT task projects and some tasks. So you could also add milestones in here. So the Gantt chart supports projects, tasks, and milestones. Even though, so that's kind of pulled from PPM, so ITPT doesn't necessarily support that, but yeah, it's really easy to configure and make these project tasks and milestones. So of course it's all drag and drop. You can just drag these tasks around. Let me zoom in here and reschedule them. You can create relationships between the tasks. So let me get rid of this relationship here. I'm just going to delete this relationship and create a new relationship to this task. Put that here, create a relationship here. And of course, we've also got the capability to auto schedule. I don't have that turned on here, but auto scheduling can be turned on. We've also got a great new view we're coming out with in the next week or so with the users down at the bottom, so you can see if they're overscheduled or not. If I want to add a new task, I can just add it if I want to add it to kind of be a subtask of this task or a subtask of a project. Kind of depends on where you click here to add, but I can add a new task. I can add it here and I can give it some different days, or I can just add it and then schedule this out and move it into the workflow. You can also, of course, the screens here are configurable to what you want on here, so you could have a assign team and user on here also. Really any fields that you want we can put on the form. We'll do this, we'll drag that here. So that's the Gantt chart, typical Gantt user experience. So really nice for project managers managing this, or users that want to come in and see the Gantt view. So, and then I'll jump over to our Kanban. So this is a board. We've got lots of Kanban boards here, but this is one specifically for ITPT projects. So you can see I've only got 2 projects in my little test demo site here, but we can see all the ITPT projects. And one of the cool things that you can do on the board is you can drill down into this project to see the project task board for this project. So if I click this little action button here, that'll drill down into the tasks just for this project. So these are all tasks for ITPT IT-1, and then we can see, who's working on what. We can just drag and drop these over to acknowledge them. So I've got a little drop action on acknowledge what team and user it's assigned to. We can move that to in progress and put it on hold or close it. So of course all the drag and drop functionality you get with Kanban you can use with ITPT. So if you're interested, this is on our public demo site. You can contact Laura or Steve, get the address for this and log in. If you want a little walkthrough, we can do that for you also. But really a nice little addition to ITPT. Makes it a lot easier to use. Thanks.